Hey guys, welcome back. Today we are going to unbox the Funko Mystery Mini vinyl figures. These are the Horror Classics Series 3. So, now mind you, these are 17 plus collector figures, so just so you know. Check out the box. Here's all the different characters we can get. Looks like there's from The Shining, Elvira, Ghostbusters, Beetlejuice. There's a couple other randoms. I see Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th, Freddy Krueger, Wolfman, the Mummy. Lots of cool stuff. Here we go. So we have a full box of 12. Now, we're not going to get all the characters because, as you can see, some of these are more rare. Like Freddy, he's 1 out of 72. This guy, I believe he's from American Psycho. He's 1 out of 72. There's a couple 1 out of 36. But let's just see who we get, huh? These are pretty awesome. If you're into this kind of thing. With Halloween right around the corner, I thought these would be fun to do now. Alright, first up, who is it gonna be? We have Wolfman. He looks kind of scary. Rawr. Awesome. Wolfman. All right. Next up. Hang on, guys. Hang on. Knocking stuff around here. Alright, next up we have... Ooh, it's Elvira. And she looks freaky. There she is. That big hair. And her hands. I wonder why they made her hands so big. Check that out. Crazy. There is Elvira. Oh, let me tell you the odds on these guys. So Wolfman was 1 out of 6, so he's common. And Elvira is 1 out of 6, so she is also common. Alright, next up. Oh no, another Wolfman. Come up. This one's really glued. There we go. Alright. Next up we have... Oh, it's Jaws. Cool. Oh, and he's chewing on the, I forget which Jaws that was, where he got him, he put the air tank, and then he shot the air tank and just blew Jaws to bits. Awesome. He's pretty cool looking, actually. Nice. I want to say, was that the second Jaws? Or was that the first one? Gosh, I don't remember. It's been a while. I'm going to have to brush up. Jaws is a 1 out of 6 too. So we're all about the commons so far. Oh, here we go. This is the Exorcist. Ugh. Bleh. She's gross. Of course, she vomited all over herself. Just like in the movie. There she is. Now she's a little more rare. She's 1 out of 36. Awesome. Here we go. This is Adam from Beetlejuice. Definitely a classic. He pretty much looks like he did in the movie. Awesome. He was, Adam is a 1 out of 24. Oh, here's our second Elvira. Oh, here we go. Here's Jack from The Shining. Now, it's strange how none of them have eyeballs. They just have blank eyes. Maybe that makes them look more creepy. I mean, it does. Look at his face. Here's Johnny. Alright, Jack from The Shining. He is, let's see, what are the odds on him? He's a 1 out of 12. We'll put him over there. This is, oh, what is his name? Alex from Clockwork Orange, I believe. Yes. Alex Delarge or something like that. Not super familiar with this guy, but I'm pretty sure that's his name. So here he is, and he is a 1 out of 12. Fairly common. Oh, another Jaws. Two left. Can we get somebody cool? Freddy would be awesome. That is not Freddy. That's a small character, it feels like. Oh, here we go. Here's Jason from Friday the 13th. He looks awesome. And he is a 1 out of 24. Cool. I think this one is my favorite. He looks pretty cool. My favorite horror guy. That's kind of strange, huh? There he is. All right, last one. Who is it gonna be? It's Slimer. And he is slimy, isn't he? Slimer is a 1 out of 12. Oh my god. Oh, that's funny. Oh, silly Slimer. All right. Awesome. All right, nothing super rare, but we got, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 different, only 3 duplicates, so that's pretty good, I'd say. We're probably going to be doing some more of these, just to see if we can collect the other characters, so maybe stay tuned for that if you liked these. Otherwise, make sure you check out our channel. There's lots of cool stuff on there, and lots of cool stuff coming up. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.